What's the Gaelic for helicopter? Nah, what's the English for helicopter? It's a French word with Greek origins. What's the English for avalanche? And a Gaelic ha mum sneachke akin. What's the English for restaurant? That's of French origin. And a Gaelic kanshin kai bi. Kersonnach in the Faclan-iasaid on a bearla. If it was a serious language, it would have its own words, right? Nah. Once you start to look at languages, you realise that they steal or borrow words all the time. Loan words. Faclan-iasaid. Might seem like a bit of a bourach, but c'est la vie. And English might be the worst for it. It steals words galore, galore. If you don't like what I'm saying, you can shut your gob. Gop. Beak. I'm keen to conduce me short roya. I feel like I've said this all before. I'm getting that sense of, how do we say it in English? Deja vu. Je Frankish ha shin kuchuk.